Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a super budget friendly holiday makeup look. So I've got a little basket here of some Dollar Tree makeup. A lot of the products are pretty easy to find. And so yeah, we're going to just do some holiday glam today on a super tight budget. So of course, if you're a returning Dollar Diva, thank you so much for coming back for another video. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Jessica and I'm basically a bargain beauty channel. What I mean by that is I like to do a lot of the same fun content that other beauty channels do. I just like to keep it at the bargain price point, so the closer to $1, the better. If it sounds like you're in the right place, definitely hit the subscribe button and become part of our Dollar Diva family here on YouTube. And I will have related content linked down below in the description box. That way you can binge watch some of my other content. And we've got a full face of makeup to do today, and so without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's video. So as always, I'm going to be starting with brows first, and I'm going to go ahead and use this LA Colors Skinny Brow Pencil. I believe this is in medium brown. It's in dark brown. Of course, if you know me, you know that I pretty much get all of my brow products from Dollar Tree. LA Colors actually makes like some of my favorites. So we're getting closer to the holidays. I can't believe it's like almost here. Definitely let me know down below in the description box what you plan on doing for the holidays. We usually just keep it very casual. We stay home. This year, usually I'm off Christmas Eve and Christmas. This year, I'm not off on Christmas Eve, which I don't love, but I am off Christmas Day, and usually we just have my mom come over, and then usually the day after, my stepdaughter comes. She lives in Florida, and she'll spend a few days with us right there after Christmas, and then my job is done for the year on the 30th, so... And I'm not like a big New Year's Eve celebrator. I like to be home. I don't really like to be out. Last year I had a show on New Year's Eve, but this year I do not. So I will be home. So I'm going to clean up my eyebrows with the Ioni Camouflage Concealer. This is in Cool Light. And as always, I just like to take a little flat brush. This one here is from Sassy Chic. I just like to carve out underneath and get a nice line, and this helps a lot. So for a holiday makeup look, I always like to do something kind of red and gold, and today is no exception. Or like red and champagne. To me, that just screams holidays. So we'll use this later to conceal as well. So I'm just going to be doing like a one and done look using liquid shadow. And there's lots of really nice options at Dollar Tree. So you've got this one here from Ioni. This is in Laid Back Champers. This is my backup. It's just a really beautiful gold liquid shadow. Then you get the one here from La Mercerie. You've got that copper and that gold right there in the middle would be beautiful. My favorite is actually LA Colors. I love especially the ones in the purple caps. But this is from their Halloween line. This is the shade Evil Queen. That would be beautiful. Or if what you have is this here, which is super easy to find at Dollar Tree. This is the LA Colors 6-pan in Almost Nude. That gold shade there would be absolutely beautiful as well. So any of those would work beautifully. I'm just going to go in with this shade right here. A lot of times what I like to do is I like to take like a flat brush, and then I like to paint the liquid shadow on it. Sometimes I feel like it's just a smoother application. Like I feel like I can get it on my lid a little bit more. And I'll probably do 2 coats of this. You could even use like a champagne color, like something that's a little bit more pearly would be beautiful. So there we go, just a nice little light sparkle. And like I said, I might add a little bit more towards the end. Now I'm gonna just add some mascara. I'm gonna also add lashes because you know me. And just, of course, any mascara. I'm just using the Ioni Lengthening with Fibers because it's about time that I get rid of it. I've had it for a while. This was one of my favorite mascaras at Dollar Tree until LA Colors came out with their new ones. They came out with 3 new mascaras at the $1.25 price point, and they're really very good, especially for the money. So I'm gonna be using the La Mercerie More Drama Faux Lash Trio. I'm on my last set, but I did buy another package of these in my last Dollar Tree haul. And I'm gonna be using the Ioni Everlasting Lash Glue and Liner in one to kind of create a wing, and I'm gonna probably get a little bit dramatic with it. So this is a brand new set here. So I do end up having to trim them. They're just a little too wide for my eyes. But these are currently like my favorite lash from Dollar Tree. I kind of trimmed off, I'm gonna start here. I kind of trimmed off like 3 little segments. These scissors are from Dollar Tree. I got them years ago. So now you have to work fast with this pen because it does dry down pretty quick, whereas with lash glue, You want to let the glue set a little bit, but not with this pen. There we go, just a nice dramatic wing. Gosh, my lips are so chapped, y'all. I keep like licking them. There we go. Don't know if I'm gonna get around to doing the tree behind me here for my set because it's a lot of work to get everything out. And my year just got kind of unexpectedly busier than I anticipated. And I just don't know if I have it in me. Now my regular decorations have been up since like November 1st, but I just don't know if I'm gonna have it in me to do the tree here behind me, you know. Honestly, the hardest part about putting lashes on, even when you do it a lot like me, is getting them even. And then you also have to deal with the fact that your eyes aren't exactly the same either. So there's a little bit working against all of us in putting on lashes. So there we go. I am gonna add some more liquid shadow and do the same thing, add it to my brush. Just gonna add another coat, especially towards the inner part of my eye. There we go. There we go. And it looks very simple, but it'll look really glam when the whole rest of the look comes together. So now we're gonna move on to the face. I actually had a Dollar Diva ask me about this primer. I'd used it earlier in the year and I couldn't quite find the video, but I know I used it when this collection came out. It's the Ioni Matte Primer. This is from the Lunar Zodiac line. And I'm gonna use this today. I do kind of want a more matte finish because I'm gonna let the sparkly eyes and the red lips be the star. I haven't worn these earrings since I did a holiday makeup look last year, and I forgot they jingle in my ear. I don't think you can hear them, but I certainly can. They're a lot. I got them off Shein. So something super easy to find, the Candy Moyo BB Cream, and I believe this is the exact same thing as the foundation. The foundation, of course, comes in the black and clear tube, and I find the product to be exactly the same. The shade medium works great for me. Of course, they don't have a lot of shade range. There's just light, medium, and dark, but I do think that will get better in time. And this is just a Sassy Chic blender sponge. It is damp. Now I'm gonna take that concealer and put some in the corner of my eyes, right here. I really like this concealer. I recently posted a video where I shared the best $1.25 makeup of 2025, and this made the list. Actually, a couple of these products made the list. The concealer, the lashes. So now I'm just going to set it down with a little bit of setting powder. This is from LA Colors. This is the shade Nude. And I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush. For $1.25, I really like this powder. They got a decent shade range too. They've got some that are pretty dark. And I think they have a lighter shade or two. There we go. Just wanted to set that down a little bit. So now bronzer. Bronzer and blush I'm keeping really very easy to find. I'm going to the LA Colors Matte Bronzer in Bronzed Beauty. I believe Bronzed Beauty is like the only shade that they have in this matte bronzer. And I'm just gonna add a little bit. I really, really don't wanna add a lot of this. This is just a very easy to use bronzer. It's not too warm and it's pigmented enough. For me, it's one of the easier ones to use because I tend not to go overboard. So just wanted to add a little bit of a bronze glow. And one of my favorite blushes is the LA Colors Blush Single in Creamsicle. Again, I just want to keep the cheeks kind of simple because I want the lips and eyes to kind of be the star. And really mainly the lips. So for a little bit of sparkle, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Be Pure Glow Up highlighting stick. This, use any kind of highlighter. It really doesn't matter. Just something that's gonna give you a little bit of a glow. Put it on the back of my hand, and then I'm just gonna tap it right here. This has the watermelon extract in it, and I can smell it. There we go, just a nice little glow. So now back to the eyes. So for eyeliner, I'm gonna just go ahead and use the LA Colors Duo Eyeliner. This was in their fall line. I think I'm gonna use the brown side. You could, of course, use black. I'm gonna use it to line my waterline. Give my eyes just a little bit more definition. I do want to add a little bit more into my inner corner. I might take a little bit of that gold liquid shadow and just really drag it down into the corner. There we go. I would say the eyes are done, so now we're gonna move on to the lips. See, very simple, just a beautiful one and done. So I love, with this kind of an eye for the holidays, a red lip. And I'm gonna use the Be Pure Lip Contour Kit. They have one in nude, and then they have this one here that was in red. And so it comes with a lip liner and a lipstick. I feel like a contour kit should have like a darker lip pencil. And this one here is just a little bit too matchy to the lipstick, but it's really actually very pretty though. I think this is supposed to be a dupe for the Kylie lip contour, which I have never used and probably never will. See, look what a bright red lip that is, y'all. Of course, you can use whatever red lipstick you have. So I'm just gonna be using this LA Colors setting spray. It's supposed to help extend your makeup wear. And I don't really want like a super dewy finish. So this one here I think is a little bit more of like a regular finish. So you just let that dry and it'll help set down your makeup. So there we go. We just have a really beautiful, simple, super budget friendly makeup look you can wear for the holidays. Just a really nice little shimmery gold eye, a red lip, and everything else kept pretty simple. This is kind of like, in my mind, what holiday makeup looks like. And you can, of course, get it with super budget-friendly bargain makeup. So, of course, if you enjoyed this video, show me you did by hitting the like button. Also, if you can hype this video, you know I appreciate it very, very much. And I appreciate all of my Dollar Divas that do that on a consistent basis. It means the world to me. Definitely check out the description box down below and check out related content and give my other videos a binge watch. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.